Hey guys, I just want to film another Skin Star video. These boxes are amazing. I still don't know if you can just subscribe to these, but I wanted to show you what's inside. A lot of these products you can find online, and it's a nice introduction to new Korean beauty, and they also give me things to talk about. So, especially now, I'm not buying as much as I used to, so, you know, having this sent to me every month gives me something to talk about. And I really want to start using these products, so I wanted to film this as soon as possible so I could do that. So again, if you saw me last month, same box, but this is the box Skin Star, and it has this cute little ribbon on it. And it says, be beautiful with Skin Star. Again, okay, so I'm going to open it up. Each box is tailored to the month that we're in. So this one is August, and it is after vacation skincare. And by vacation, they mean warm weather. So a care for troubled skin sign under the hot summer sun, because I doubt people are going on vacation right now. However, I just came back from a trip. So it says summer after effects left on the skin. Let's erase the summer trail. So it's getting rid of the dullness that you have in your skin, some of the dead skin, and then oil and water balance in your skin. So this one I think is really cool because this gives you a day to night solution. So the products that you should use daytime and the products that you should use at night. Some of the products that I got in here are duplicates, so maybe I'll do a giveaway at some point, or maybe some of my friends will get lucky and I will gift them some things. But I'll open up this box and kind of talk you through it. This one, mine stayed intact a little bit better this time. So again, they have these tips for unboxing, and then they have two products right here, and then the bag of products right here. So the two products that are in this little display area, one I showed you guys last month, so I'm not going to talk about it too much, but it's the essenHerb Tea Tree Foam Cleanser, Pure Tea Tree. So this I've used, it's in my shower currently. My sister uses this too because she has some hormonal acne issues from being pregnant and stuff. Well, she's no longer pregnant, but for postpartum. So this has been working really well for her. My hair looks huge. Sorry if the light keeps changing. I have an overhead light up here, like the fan light, and the window, and there's a light on over here, so I feel like it keeps shifting, but I don't really know what else to do, and I still film on my MacBook. So here we go. The next product on the side, I'm so excited for this. These are the V10 peeling pads by BRTC, and I love peeling pads. I think they are amazing. I was so excited for this. It's a nice large container, and let me see what it says in here. So they want you to use this during the day, which is interesting because I always use these guys at night, but the tip for the day is first this, and then the peeling pad. And so what this says on here is it's a multivital 10 system with a blend of vitamins, centennial, astisa leaves. This product can bring calmness to the skin and get rid of skin peeling and impurities. So it'll get rid of any dead skin from, you know, maybe sunburn or anything like that. It's sealed. I'm going to open it because I'm going to start using these. These are great since you don't need anything but the actual product. So it's just all in one. And they're pre-moistened pads. So these are awesome. They smell kind of citrusy, kind of fresh. Seriously, my hair is just insane. But my bangs are getting longer. I don't know what to do with them. If I should keep them. No bangs. Not. I have to figure out what to do with my eyebrows because I don't ever worry about those. So back to this. Those are the first two products. Then this bag of products. I'll keep on going with like the daytime products. So, well, actually this is the day and night product, but it's one that I've already received before, and it is the Pureheal Centennial 9 AMPOULE serum. So this one is good to use daytime and night, which is great. I don't have many daytime serums, so this is amazing because I'm already rotating some retinol and some other things at night. So this is great. Hyperallergenic. It's meant for sensitive skin. It can be used on any type of skin, which is awesome. So I have another one of these. And then lastly, for the daytime, I don't know what this came from, but this I just found in the bag too, and I can't tell you what this is for, but maybe it's for picking up those pads if you don't want to touch them. I'm not really sure, but I have these weird tweezers. And then lastly, for the daytime is a moisturizer, and this is also by essenHerb, and it's their Bulgarian Rose cream. Is a rose cream provides instant moisture and nourishment to dehydrated, lackluster skin. So after you use that toner pad, you can just put it on your face. So the packaging is super cute. Just a little tub like this, and I already opened this up to smell it. It smells really nice. Like the rose scent isn't strong. It's definitely there, but it's not overpowering. So if you put it on your face, you're going to just smell rose all day. Those products are not great. But this is really nice. I can't wait to start using that. I can always use more moisturizers. Year round, I use like more of a heavy moisturizer. My skin can get pretty dry, and so moisturizer is key day and night for me. So I'm excited to try this. And then nighttime, it says you can also use the cleanser. I would just use this maybe once a day, or maybe every other day for me, just because it's tea tree and it's drying and it's going to help reduce oil in your skin. So for me, I am not oily at all, a bit dry, so I would use this. It is a foam cleanser, which is nice, which is better for sensitive skin. It also does have moisturizing properties. So next is the BRTC pH 5.5 Vita Peeling Gel. I received this last month as well. Peeling gels are great in my opinion because they're my favorite way to get dead skin off of your face. So this is awesome. And then a green tea mask, and this is also by Pureheal. So it's a Centennial 65 green tea pack. So you're meant to clean your face and then put this on for about 10 minutes, which is great because some of these masks are like 30 minutes, 20 minutes. And for me, the shorter the better because I get really impatient and I don't want things on my skin for that long just because I'm impatient. So this is a nice tub like that. Mask actually has like flakes of green tea in it, which is really cool. I have no masks like this. I also really like when a mask is colored, such as this, meaning like it doesn't, you can see where you're putting it. I like those charcoal masks for that reason too, but I find sometimes when I'm using like a clear kind of mask, like you don't really have any control of how much you're putting on. So this is really cool. I'm excited to try this mask. Oh, and there's also a little scraper. The Korean packaging is just really thoughtful and it's really nice. I really like it. Product by Pureheal is this Sentinel 80 eye cream, which I did receive last month. I think I'm gonna give this to my mom because she does need a new eye cream. So this is a 1 ounce tube, and again, I really love packaging like this because you can control exactly how much you get out and you're not dipping your finger into a pot each time. So for me, it is amazing. So I have another one of those. And then lastly, I have another sleeping mask. This one is also by Pureheal, but last month it was a Centennial sleeping mask, and this month it's the Real Rose Petal sleeping mask. So what it says about this, and this product is vegan. Peeling gel is also vegan, but the sleeping mask says, a sleeping mask filled with bursts of pure rose material and rose water makes your skin blossom and pink radiance while you sleep. So what I do with these kinds of products is I do my whole night routine, put on any serums, put on any moisturizers that I'm going to use, and then I seal it in with a sleeping mask. So I have the Dr. Jart one that I'm using right now, so this is similar to that. Like, it's just a gel, you apply it all over your face, and then you wake up and you don't have to wash it off or anything. This has a slight rose scent as well, not overpowering, which is great. So that is everything that I received in my SkinStar box this month. I hope you guys enjoyed. Tell me what else you want to see, because I'm here and I have not much to do. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!